This is Maya Robbins from Computer Sciences 110. Um, so I did the number 5 for YouTube. And this is what I got from the code that I used. Again, I also looked these up on how to do these on different blogs. And I messed up a little bit, but I'm satisfied with how far I got. So that was running the Python turtle code that I did. And I don't know how well I could replicate this, but I was able to figure it out. I I thought that the second square would be really hard, but all I had to do is change the angle to 89 instead of 90. So that was my code.